Hello students, today in this lecture we are going to discuss question answer of the play The Rising of the Moon. In my last two lectures we had seen the story of this play wherein we come to know that the man, he was actually the escaped prisoner and he tries to play with the emotions and fears of the sergeant here. He tries to scare the sergeant by telling him that he knows the prisoner and the prisoner is a very dangerous man who is good at weapons and all. So it is not safe for him to be alone at the quay. And later on when the sergeant allows him to accompany him at the quay there, he sings patriotic song and invokes patriotic spirit in the sergeant, which later on turns the situation wherein the sergeant, he forgets his duty towards the Britishers and allows the prisoner to escape from the quay there. So let's see the question answers now. Now first we'll see the questions which are given below the lesson here first in the blue box, and then we'll do brainstorming questions. Now see here. Find out the reason of the man for staying at the place. Why he wanted to stay at the place, place means the quay there, which was guarded by the sergeant. Why he wanted to stay at the place? Because he was actually the prisoner here. He wanted to escape that night from the quay and one of his friend was going to come with the boat there. So he just wanted to be there at the quay. So as when his friend comes, he can just go away from that particular place. Now next question. The stranger stays with the sergeant. Find a way by him to allow him. Now later on we come to know that the stranger, he accompanies the sergeant there near the quay. That night he was there with the sergeant. Why he was allowed by the sergeant to accompany him? So the reason is very clear here, as we all know the story, because he had frightened the sergeant by telling him that he knows the escaped prisoner who is a very dangerous man, good with weapons and all. So it is not safe for him to be alone at the quay that night. So finally the sergeant gets very scared because he's a family man. So he says, okay fine, you can stay here along with me at the quay that night. After that, write about the persuasive approach of the man. Means how he persuades, how he finally makes the sergeant agree to allow him to be at the quay. How he make the sergeant allow him to escape from the quay. So here we have seen that how he is a very smart man. First what he does, now when the sergeant was not allowing him to wait on the quay there, so he tries to scare him, tries to frighten him by telling that it is not safe for him because he is a family man. He cannot wait here alone because the prisoner is a very dangerous man and it can endanger his life. So the sergeant becomes very frightened and he allows him to wait there. And while he was with him at the quay there, he sings patriotic songs and try to persuade him that whatever the Irish people are doing to free themselves from the British government is very correct, and in his young age he also had the same feeling that he used to sing with the other boys the patriotic song and he wanted to do something for his country and all, but later on when he got married and he had a family, so he had to leave all those things and become a police officer to work for the well-being or livelihood of his family. So he tries to persuade him, he tries to tell him that whatever the people are doing to free the Irish government or the Irish country, Irish people from the British government is very correct. And later on what happened, he falls prey to that and he finally helps the man to escape from the quay there. He forgets his duties and he feels that he should do something for his country, and for to a short thing he feels that a small thing I can do my country is allow this freedom fighter to escape from here, and he does that. He allows him to escape from the quay there. Later on, see here, the man and the surgeon need each other's support. Find such example. Yes, of course they needed each other's support, because the surgeon was very frightened now. He didn't want to be alone there, because he felt that if he is alone, the prisoner is very dangerous man, so he might kill the surgeon. So he was very frightened and he needed someone to be with him. And the man also wanted the sergeant here, because the man knows if the sergeant is with him, if the sergeant allows him to go from the quay, then only it is possible. Otherwise he won't be able to go with his friend who was waiting in the boat. The man, you have to find such examples. The line I told you, I have given you the hint. You will read the lines and try to pick up those lines and write it now. The man tries to enforce the sergeant in favor of the criminal. Find the sentence. Now, he tries to enforce the sergeant in favor of the criminal means he tries to tell him that, see, in your young age, when you also used to sit on the wall and sing patriotic song, you must have got that feeling that you should do something for your country, to free your country from the Britishers. Now the thing that as you are married, you have a family, so you have become a police officer to support them and all. But the main thing is that you are an Irish person. You should work for the freedom of you should fight for the freedom of your country. So imagine yourself that you are not a police officer but the freedom fighter only, means the criminal here only. And the criminal is the police officer, because you are actually an Irish person. So in this way he tries to convince him that whatever the prisoner had done or is doing is very correct, and he should not be imprisoned again, and he should be allowed to escape from the quay. So those lines you can point out from the mark from the pages here, and you have to write down. Now, find the life of the singer that is mentioned in the extract. Now, the singer which is mentioned in the extract is Granville. The information about the Granville I have mentioned here. The Granville is the nickname of Grace O'Malley, a well-known historical figure of the 16th century Irish folklore. She has been described as one of the most remarkable women in Irish history. This is the information about the singer given here. I have done it for you all. Later on, see here, the wavelength of the man and the surgeon goes together. Find the evidences from the text. The wavelength, how they started thinking similar, means they both sat on the barrel, they were smoking pipes, they were singing patriotic songs together. When the man was singing patriotic song, this person, the sergeant, was correcting him. He said that he knew in his young age he used to sing those patriotic songs, and he also had a feeling that he wanted to do something to free his country from the Britishers and all. So they both had the similar feelings in their mind, that they both are Irish person and they wanted to free their country from the Britishers. Discussion about patriotic song goes on. Here we have seen when he was singing, he tries to correct him, or when the names of the famous songs are given here and all. Those lines you have to pick up and write. After that, there is a reference of a criminal. Find sentence in the context and write here. Means they have given the reference of the criminal, who he is. He has described the person here, what he has done and all, to scare the police officer. Now here also we come to know that when he was trying to convince him that whatever the criminal is doing is correct, suddenly what happened, this sergeant, he realizes that the person who he is speaking to is actually the escaped prisoner and all. So what happened, he just comes into his senses, and what happened, he gets down, he tells, I can hear the noise of water and boat here. So I think he tells that I know you are only the escaped prisoner. So reference of him is given here. Now the surgeon's reaction surprises the audience. Now throughout the story we had seen that he is just telling us that he is very dutiful person and he wants to obey the government here, though he is an Irish person because he is working for the British government. So throughout the story we come to know, but at the end suddenly what happened? He helps the prisoner to escape from the quay there. He helps, or here we also come to know he misguides the comrades, means his companions, the policeman B and policeman X, by telling that no one is there here, you and I want to be alone, you go back to the station here. So he just wanted to help the prisoner to escape from the place. So this reaction, sudden change in the feelings of a surgeon, like from being dutiful to the British government, suddenly he becomes a very patriotic person. This surprises the audience, you can say. Now the surgeon supports the man by misguiding his comrades. Write your views. Yes, he supports the man. He tries to help the man to escape from the place and he misguides the comrade. He tells that you can go back to the station. I don't want you to accompany me tonight at the quay, because he knows if these two policemen will be with him at that place at that night. So what will happen? He will be the prisoner can't go from there, or he could not escape from there. So that's why what happened? He misguides them. He tells them that no one is here. I am doing my work. You go back. I don't want to get distracted because you all talk too much. Now write your opinion about the man and the sergeant. Now the man, we can only say that he is a very smart person who tries to play with the feelings and emotions of the innocent sergeant here. And what happened? He first scares him by telling that he knows the prisoner and who is a very dangerous man, and later on by singing patriotic song he invokes patriotic spirit in the sergeant, who gets into those particular feelings, and at the end what he does, he forgets his duty toward the British government and he tries to help the prisoner to escape from them. And the sergeant, we can say that the sergeant is a very innocent person, but very you can say truthful and honest man here, who wanted as he is very honest, so he wanted to do his duty towards the British government. But what happened? This man, the prisoner, he tries to befool him, or he tries to play with emotions and all, and make him realize that though he has his duties towards the British government, actually he is an Irish person and he should do something for the freedom of his country. And just to play a small part in the freedom of the country, he helps the prisoner to escape from the quay. Now let's see the brainstorming questions. There are some dialogues which are short but quite effective. They give us enjoyment and add beauty to the main story. Find some more from the text. See, they are given. Back to the town, is it? Means here he is asking, it is a rhetorical question which the man is asking back to, he is asking again to the sergeant here. The other one you can say, there is not much to take hold of it in that. The one here, all the world's against the poor. I know well the man you are looking for. I would know him a mile off, sergeant, and I thought to do it with my tongue. These are the dialogues which are very short but effective. They have the, you can say, meaning, lot of meaning when we read it carefully. After that, see here, comment on the given statement after reading the given dialogue. And if we get him itself, nothing but abuse on our heads, for it from the people and maybe from our own relations. You may begin like this. We do not think about society at large, because people are very selfish. They think about themselves only. What they do now, for simple example, you can give here to explain the statement here. Now people burst crackers or make play music very loudly and all. They don't think that how they are trying to cause trouble for the other people who are sick or who are very old and all. So what happened? They don't bother of others. They just think about themselves. You can say here. It's a pity some honest man not to be better of that. Now this line we can say here that the man is trying to, the sergeant is saying that it is very difficult to catch hold or to find out the prisoner here because he is a very dangerous man and you cannot just catch hold of him very easily. And see, the government has given reward on that particular person. So what will happen, as this man could not be imprisoned again, no one will be getting the reward here. So that's why he's saying it's very sad that honest man like him who really wants the reward, who really wants to get this reward, it is not possible for him. I wouldn't be in your shoes if he reward me 10 times as much. People generally fall victim to incentives. Some people stick to values. He is saying here, some people are very weak in their values here. Means if they find that they will get some offer or they are getting some offer or they are getting some incentive for any particular thing, they don't just think whatever they are doing is right or wrong. What is their main objective? To get that offer or to get that profit or incentive here. So here you can say this that kind of people are known as what? The people having weak values. But the people who are strong in their values, whatever you try to bribe them with incentive, offer, you can say prize and all, reward and all, they won't do anything wrong. They will stick to their values. Now next one. But when I saw a man in trouble, I could never help trying to set him out of it. It's human to help others. Here the statement tells us that here human means to be kind and compassionate towards others here, children. Because they want to tell that being a human being, you should have that empathic feeling in yourself, that you should feel for others. That if you are in that situation, you would also feel that someone should come for my help, someone should help me to come out of this particular situation. So in this way, you should have the feeling for others if they are in trouble and try to help them. Now the priorities of the surgeon are shifted. Complete the given. Priorities of the surgeon and priorities at the end. In the beginning, what was his priority? Priority of the surgeon in the beginning. Priorities at the end. In the beginning, he was very dutiful. You can say law and duty. And at the end, what happened? He made effort to allow the convict to escape. He helped the convict to escape from the place. In the beginning, it was his law and duty towards the British government. But at the end, what happened is patriotic feelings were aroused here and he helped the prisoner to escape from that particular place. After that, find sentences from the play related to the given points. Loyalty in Irish nationalism. Maybe surgeon, you will be on the side of the country. It means he was trying to arouse the patriotic feeling in the surgeon by telling him, just imagine yourself on the side of the criminal and criminal on your side. Means just shift the situation, the personality according to the situation here. And later on what happened, because of that you can say the feeling of nationalism was aroused in the surgeon. He wanted to be loyal towards the Ireland here and he wanted to do something for it. So find those particular sentences and you have to write it down. Tension between different loyalties. Means he had a tension here. That first he felt that he should be dutiful towards the British government because he is working for them, and later on what happened, he felt that though he is working for the British government, he is actually an Irishman, so he should work for, or he should do something for the freedom of his country, or he could not, if he could not do anything, he can just play some part in the freedom struggle by just helping the prisoner to escape from that particular place. You should find lines from the Here story and write down. Now afterward the description of the character is given below. Identify the character from the play. Find some sentences which support your choice. Now see, he is a brave but irresponsible person. Who is that? You can say the sergeant. He is brave. How we come to know? He is saying, I don't want it. I don't need the lantern and all, and I don't want anything. I am perfect here. I can manage myself alone. He tells both the policemen to take that lantern with them, and he is irresponsible. Why we can say? Because when he tries to tell them that no one is here, I can guard the particular place alone and all, you all can go from that place. After that, he is the major character and he dominates the story. Who is the major character here? The sergeant is the major character. He is dominating the story here. So you have to give evidences from the play here. I am just giving you the hint. He is smart as well as brave. Who is smart as well as brave? The man, means the prisoner, the ballet singer. Then he is the center of the play, the sergeant. The story is about the sergeant only. That how he is torn between two things, the duties towards the British government and his patriotic feeling towards his own country, that is Ireland. And he is obedient and simple, policeman B, because whatever the sergeant was telling him, he followed the orders. So I've given you the hint now. You have to find out the lines accordingly and write down them. I hope you have understood the this one story, the play here, and I have discussed the question answers also in detail. Please go through again, write down the answers for all those questions in your text or in a notebook. This type of similar question will be asked on the play here based on the plot, theme, setting, character of the play. So you should know the story in detail so that you can understand it nicely and write answer in your own words. So just practice nicely, children. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.